Yeah. Other than that, there's only one more thing that I would like to do. I am going to... Now this is risky. I'm going to turn off my noise gate. And for the first time in this house's history on this stream, almost 6 months of streaming from this place, I am going to open my window. Now, there's a risk, right? I'm going to open my window so that you can hear the sounds of the street that I've become so accustomed to. However, if someone starts screaming something obscene, because we have a lot of crazy people who live on this street, a lot of crazy people, if someone starts yelling something inappropriate, or someone drives by blasting copyrighted music, I will have to quickly mute. Okay? So I'm trusting you guys to remember that this is all coming from outside, and none of it is scripted. Okay? Here we go. It's surprisingly quiet out at the moment, which I think is rather unceremonious, but there it is. I finally get to have a fucking breeze of fresh air. Ivy, thank you for the super. Shitang, thank you for the Aka super. Atong Aquarius, thank you. It's all coming to a head. You guys can hear a few cars, you can hear some wind. I would change to the ASMR mic, but I actually have to restart my, I think I would have to restart my thingy, my stream for that to happen. Hibiki, thank you for the Aka Super. I missed you too! Welcome almost back. Yes, almost. Just a few more days and then we'll be back on the move. Onika, thank you very much. Yuna, thank you. I guess we'll just turn this into a little kind of like a light chat session. Turn off the music? Okay. We'll just have a bit of relaxing and patient time where we sit and we listen and absorb the differences. It is a little peaceful, isn't it? Mel Chen, thank you. Meowie, you're gonna miss the emotional moments interrupted by you yelling at the window telling them to shut up. Cian, thank you for the super as well. Yeah, it's gonna be a shame. I've definitely grown accustomed to this, the noise of the street, but you never know. Whenever you move to a new place, there are always random, just kinks and funky shit that happens that you need to get used to, and I imagine I'll be able to turn those into some comedic moments as well. The noisy street is going, everyone. I'll miss it too, tremendously. I mean, not while I live here, you know, because it's noisy and it's difficult to deal with. Berry Bean Pie, thank you for the super. Ignis, tell us about your trip. Oh, that's a great idea. It was really, really sweet to bring him with me, and I think over the course of this trip I've become pretty irrevocably attached to this chimp. He really, really endeared himself to me, and I can't get enough of him. I think he's so sweet. His eyes are pretty scary, but you know what? That's fine. What the hell is that? The hell is that? I can't see what it was. I think someone's car might just be in the middle of breaking down. Will your new house have good Wi-Fi? It will, yes. I've already got new Wi-Fi sorted out. Some of the best Wi-Fi you can get in the UK because I wanted to spare no expense and make sure that I could just have Wi-Fi that I don't have to fucking worry about. Bagel, thank you for the Arca Super. Missed you too. Oh, I missed you too. Thank you very much. What the hell? Slow down out there! Nani, thank you for the super. GBP, thank you very much. Gretch, thank you very much. Subject S, thank you very much. And GBP as well. Thank you very much. Kinoko, is my PS5 still there? Yes, it is. Nobody managed to figure out where I live yet. Nobody managed to steal my PS5, and so I'm sorry, but it's mine, and I'm taking it with me. I'm gonna put it in my living room, actually. That's copyright music! It's fine. It's fine. So, A whole chain of events happened there. Hold on. Hang on, let me... A whole fucking chain of events happened there. First of all, there was copyrighted music outside, and I had to mute my mic. And then immediately someone screamed, and then a car alarm went off. This is where I've been living. Tokito, thank you for the Akasupa. May flowers and applause fill every corner of your life and soul. That's really sweet. Holy shit, thank you, Tokito. Sisivia, thank you very much for the super. Sue, thank you as well. Okay, hold on. Let me just... Let me pop that back open. Is the car gone? Alright, we're good. We're good. We're good. No one's blasting music anymore. Oh boy, that was funny. But you can hear the car alarm. Wee 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 wee. Oh! You got a bit of it. You got a bit of it. Now it's gone. Men! Thank you for the super. Loud car? Someone's picking something up outside. Someone's got a scooter, I think. trying to figure out what's going on. Onika, thank you very much for the super. Xiao-chan, thank you very much for the Arca super. I miss you. If you're happy, I'll be happy too. Well, good. Good. I am happy. I'm pretty deeply happy at the moment. I feel like I've really, like, recovered from quite a strange circumstance, you know? Whoa! People are screaming. I'm just gonna keep an eye out on what they're saying. If they start saying something obscene, I'm gonna have to shut the window. Oxen Ball Torture, thank you. Aidenak Toriani, thank you. Kira BBBB, thank you so much. Ning, thank you very much for the super. Really like Resident Evil 7. Oh, it's so much fucking fun with Resident Evil 7. I'm really looking forward to playing more, like, genuinely spooky horror games. The fuck? Morlinge, thank you. Sui, thank you. Holy shit. You guys have really welcomed me back properly. I can't thank you guys enough. I really, really can't. Oh, someone's yelling. What are they saying? Damn. I don't know if we have perms for it, but I would love to be able to play Smite on stream. Loud vehicle outside. Is that a bus? Just someone's big thing. Someone's big thing. Someone's giant cock outside. Cock! From the last karaoke I did with Mr. and Luca in person, one of those, like I promised last time, one of those is going to be Be Prepared. I love that song very much. I've been listening to it on loop for a few days. And so, yes, I will be playing Be Prepared. Or singing it, rather. So, that's a promise. I really want to do that one. So, yes. That's copyright music! Shit! Smash Ultimate with handcam would be good. Ignore what just happened. Let's give the outside a break for a second. Oh fuck, I missed you guys. Let's give that like a few minutes. Frederick, thank you for the super. Sierra, thank you very much. That ought to be a lot of fun. Alright, let me... Hang on. Time to get the window back open. See if I can trust the streets. There's a bus outside. K's M, thank you very much. And Fire Devil's New, thank you. Arabella. Oh yeah, I remember that shit. That's kind of hilarious. I truly will bring that surprisingly controversial Yalan tweet to fruition by mobbing all over my subway footlong. The hell is that? Oh, it's a bus. It really is Morbin time. Feronia, thank you for the super. ASMR reaction ASMR. Oh my god. What if I was to, like, put an ASMR stream VOD in one ear and then I talk into the other ear, and so it's like you've got two voxes on either side? Oh, now that's a plan. Now that's an idea. Alright, that's the end. I'll see you all either on Tuesday or Wednesday, depending on when I get my internet set up at my new place. So I'll see you then. Goodbye, everyone. I love you. Hang on a minute, I didn't change this from last time. I'm not going in a week. There we go. Yay, there we go. There we go. Alright, see you guys next week. Bye-bye. Wait, I guess it is next week. Yeah, just a few days, that's all. Alright, bye!